What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Want to look stylish with Big Ten colors? Hey, I saw this on Amazon, so I bought it. It is kind of this, well, it's just a shirt, but I think they call it herringbone. And you can see here, it's kind of like a black and white zigzag pattern. Feels nice, feels thick and luxurious. Actually, much thicker than kind of your typical golf shirt or like that Under Armour shirt. Nice collar here, metal zipper, and officially licensed with the Northwestern N right there. It's kind of a pull-over shirt with a quarter zipper right there. Long sleeved, big cuff. Booyah! There it is. Man, it's nice, it's comfortable. It's a little bit thicker than, like I said, your normal golf shirt, so it kind of feels a little more robust. I definitely like the look. It's gonna got a nice pattern to it. You can pop the collar like this, or sure you can kind of put it down here, just like most golf shirts. Like that, you can self-regulate your heat with a nice little zipper here, but should be nice. Business casual, go to an event, enjoy the school pride. Check it out. I picked this one up for like 20 bucks. It was on sale on Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter von Panda, out.